Hi everyone. Please raise your hand if you have had an idea for a mobile application. Please put your hands up if you have ever tried to prototype with poor software like PowerPoint or with complicated software like Echelon. Great. Prototyping is so hard today. We use tons of complicated software to figure out how apps should work and feel, but they didn't work as expected. So most of users just skip the process and start to code. But trying a new idea in code is super expensive. So that's why we want to change it. Our solution is super simple. We turn your sketch into an interactive prototype in a few minutes. And not only test it, but also share and get feedback fast. I'm going to just show you how it works. I made a prototype last night by Pop App. It's a kind of pitch deck app. And I just draw wireframe on paper and take picture of them. And then I could just start to add some hotspot and connect with every page with some basic transition in a few seconds. Then you could start to play your prototype. You could start to test your idea in a few seconds. And now I'm going to share this prototype to everyone, to you, with a simple link. Please open this URL in any device, popup.link/ECH. Then you could start to play what I made last night. And we're pretty sure that people agree with us. We launched our product at the end of last year with zero marketing. And now we got 60,000 SAP users, and they create more than 400 mockups in our server. And we got 100,000 mockups last month. Who create those? Who generate those content? Those fancy drawing, high fidelity mockups. They're not only designer, developer, and entrepreneur. They love us, but also the best company like 37 Signal. They use Pop App to test their Basecamp iPhone app. And we also have a lot of users from super big companies like Yahoo, Amazon, Zynga. They make billions of dollars a year. And with Pop App, they could make it faster, cheaper, and get a better idea. And they made mobile application for hundreds of millions of users. You can think about it. In the long run, there are 5 billion users coming online, and their first computer will be a mobile device. That's why every company, they are focused on mobile. And we are here to help them for that transition. We're just at the beginning. We start from prototype. Our vision is going to build the entire app development ecosystem. To build the app development supply chain to provide anyone who have an idea, then we will help them to make a real app. We have those super smart investors who believe in us that could help the world to go mobile. Our investors include Steve Chen, YouTube co-founder, and Dave McCloud from 500 Startups. Hi, Dave. And also Golden Gate from
Eat the
Singapore.
mic then, eat the mic, okay?
Awesome. Thanks. And yeah, they believe in us, and we come from Taiwan. We are based in Bay Area now. We are very happy to be here and very excited to have a meeting with investors who are interested in us. I raise seed round now. My name is Shao, co-founder of Pop App. We're helping the world to go mobile. Thank you.
Thank you. Judges, do you have any questions? How do you make money?
As I mentioned before, we're focused on building the entire app development ecosystem. So right now, we don't want to charge users because right now we just want to focus on user growth. But if we could help people who don't know how to code, but only with idea, then we could help them to generate a real app. So we will start to think about, not start thinking about, we will start to charge.
The answer is, I don't know, and I don't care yet.
To be honest, that's how Steve told us. They don't want us to charge the user and limit our user growth, and we think it's smart.
Yes, I like your service. I'm very interested in your service, and I'd like to listen to your company. How do you intend to expand your business? I'd like to know your next steps in details.
Actually, it's a secret that I'd like to tell you. And after prototype, what we will do, we would like to test your idea, and then you have to find out people to help you to implement your idea to a real app. So we start from prototype, but we'll focus on the next step of prototype. So that's a testing, and then generate a real app. That's our plan.
We have time for one more question.
I'm just curious, since you've seen already, what, 100,000 prototypes or 400,000? You've seen a lot. How do they break out? What types of apps are people prototyping? What are your top 5 types of apps that people are prototyping?
Actually, we could not show you because like that we have a lot of users from like Yahoo and Amazon, and we could not.
Tell him if he takes the meeting, you'll be happy to share that info.
Actually, in person, yeah.
Cool, thank you very much.